Upgrading your windows is one of the most valuable improvements you can make to your home. In McLean, where hot, humid summers and chilly winters are part of everyday life, properly installed windows can significantly improve comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. However, even high-quality windows won't perform as expected if they're installed incorrectly. Before starting your next window replacement project, here are some common window installation mistakes McLean homeowners should avoid, and how to ensure your investment truly pays off. Choosing the wrong window for the climate. McLean homes experience a full range of seasonal weather. Installing windows without considering local climate conditions can lead to discomfort and higher energy bills. For example, windows without adequate insulation or low-E coatings may allow excessive heat gain in the summer and heat loss in the winter. Similarly, choosing the wrong frame material can result in warping or reduced durability over time. Homeowners should prioritize energy-efficient windows with strong insulation values and materials suited for Virginia's changing temperatures. The right choice will keep your home comfortable year-round while reducing strain on your HVAC system. Incorrect measurements. Accurate measurements are critical. Even small errors can create gaps between the window frame and the wall opening. These gaps may allow drafts, moisture intrusion, and air leaks. Improperly sized windows can also lead to operational issues, making them difficult to open and close. In severe cases, structural stress can even damage the frame over time. Professional installers take detailed, precise measurements before ordering and installing windows, ensuring a snug, secure fit that protects your home from the elements. Poor sealing and insulation. One of the most common, and costly, mistakes is improper sealing. Without correct insulation and sealing techniques, even a perfectly sized window can allow air and water to seep in. In McLean's humid summers, moisture infiltration can lead to mold growth, wood rot, and interior damage. During winter, poor sealing contributes to cold drafts and higher heating costs. High-quality installation includes proper flashing, caulking, and insulation around the frame. This creates an airtight barrier that improves energy efficiency and prevents long-term damage. Ignoring water management. Water management is often overlooked during window installation. Flashing and drainage systems must be installed correctly to direct water away from the home's structure. If flashing is improperly installed or missing, rainwater can seep behind siding and into wall cavities. Over time, this may cause structural deterioration, drywall damage, and expensive repairs. Professional installation ensures that water is properly channeled away from vulnerable areas, protecting both the window and the surrounding structure. Skipping structural inspections. Older homes in McLean may have hidden issues around existing window openings, such as wood rot, insect damage, or framing problems. Installing new windows without addressing these underlying concerns can shorten the lifespan of your investment. Before installation begins, the surrounding structure should be inspected and repaired if necessary. A solid, stable opening ensures your new windows function correctly and remain secure for years to come. De-installation. Without experience. While DIY projects can be rewarding, window installation requires precision and expertise. Small installation errors can lead to long-term problems that cost far more to fix than hiring a professional from the start. Improper leveling, inadequate sealing, or incorrect fastening techniques can reduce energy efficiency and void manufacturer warranties. Professional installers have the tools, training, and experience needed to complete the job correctly the first time. Protecting your investment. New windows are a significant investment in your McLean home. When installed properly, they enhance energy efficiency, reduce outside noise, improve comfort, and boost property value. The key is not just selecting high-quality products, but ensuring they are installed with care and attention to detail. By avoiding these common window installation mistakes, McLean homeowners can enjoy long-lasting performance, lower utility bills, and peace of mind. If you're considering window replacement, take the time to work with experienced professionals who understand local conditions and proper installation practices. Doing so will help ensure your new windows deliver the comfort, protection, and beauty your home deserves.